If you live in the most complex habitat on Earth, how should evolution equip you to see the world around you? I'm talking about the Amazon rainforests of eastern Ecuador. This is a place like no other. The sheer diversity of weird and wonderful life flourishing in this place is truly inspiring. But that diversity can only be maintained thanks to ferocious competition that's forced animals to occupy very specific niches. Some animals live up trees, others in burrows, some even live inside other animals. Every gap is filled, but how well adapted you are depends on how well equipped you are to see the world. And that is controlled by your visual system, your eyes and your brain. But light in the tropical forest can be variable. As I'm walking through the forest in the middle of the day, one second I could be in an open, sunny clearing. The next I could be somewhere shaded, dense and smelly, where it's so dark I'm struggling to read my own field notes. How do these different sensory worlds shape the visual system? And what can that tell us about how evolution works? Well, to study that, I need to study the eyes and brains of animals that are abundant and easy to find, but most importantly, that are diverse, so I can make comparisons between lots of different species. Butterflies are perfect for this. What you're seeing here is an X-ray of a butterfly head with a reconstruction of its brain superimposed on top. These yellow spherical structures either side of the head are the butterfly's eyes, and inside each eye are the parts of the brain which process all the visual information that these eyes receive. Now, studying such small structures can be a bit fiddly, but it does provide a very valuable window into the evolution of the senses. My research has shown that when butterflies evolve into a new forest niche, their visual systems follow suit. And not only that, but when species evolve similar niches independently of one another, their visual systems evolve the same adaptations again and again and again. In other words, when history repeats itself, nature comes up with the same solutions. Evolution can be predictable. And the fact that we're seeing these differences in eye and brain structure at all suggests that these systems may play a role in the origin of new species, and therefore shed light on how this weird and wonderful diversity of rainforest life is ultimately created. Thank you.